Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm back with another video, and this is the look that I'm gonna create in this video. If you wanna watch how I did it, please go on, keep watching. I'm gonna start creating this look by a light moisturizer which is non-oily. This one is from Pond's. It has vitamin E and glycerin, which is very helpful for the skin. I believe moisturization is a very important thing, so the first thing that I do after washing my face and applying toner, I moisturize my skin and afterwards apply the foundation. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310 in Sun Beige. This is a shade that's not of my skin. I had bought this when I was tan. For the summer, a matte finish foundation is a really good touch for the makeup. I'm gonna go with my routine, a regular way of applying the foundation. I'm gonna use a buffing brush first to just dab and spread the product around my face first, and then I'm gonna apply smoothen the texture with a beauty blender afterwards. This also ensures that no makeup is being sucked in by the beauty blender and your product is not wasted. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me collection as well. This one is in the shade Light. I like to contour with a dark colored concealer, and this one is from NYX. This is the gotcha covered concealer in the shade Mocha. I love the texture of this concealer. It is super creamy and blendable, and I would like to check out the lighter shades of this product as well. I'm using a DIY eyebrow gel for my eyebrows. I created this using a dried up kajal and mixed it with some brown eyeshadow and aloe vera gel. Finishing your eyebrow with an eyebrow mascara is a must. This one is from LA Colors and I've been using it for a while and it's amazing. We're gonna do some spring bright colors, very much summery, and summer means bright colors, and we're gonna do that. So basically I'm talking about this palette itself. It's the Regeneration Trends MISCHIEF Matte Palette from Revolution Pro. Bright colors. By bright colors I mean neon yellow, neon pink, from white to dark burgundy brown, and the shade names are also very unique. I really like the names of the shades. It's like Saint is a bright white color, and Cursed is a very dark brownish burgundy brownish color. So I'm gonna play with all these colors. So let's get started with the eyes. You know the procedure. I'm gonna first apply concealer on my eyelids so the color stays bright and vibrant. I'm using a bright yellow color as a transition color. I'm gonna add pink to the yellow transition color and get a peachy transition color. All the colors that I have in the matte Regeneration palette here are matte shades, and these are all the matte shades, and it doesn't have any shimmer or glitter to it. The blue shade is really light here, so I'm gonna use the palette from Freedom. This is the Chasing Rainbows palette, and right here in the middle, the blue shade, I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna use a mascara next. This is the washable mascara. I do not use the waterproof mascara because it makes my eyelash clumpy and it is very hard to take it off. But I'm gonna use the same blue brush. I'm gonna add a highlighting shade on the inner corners of my eyes to make it a bit shiny. Following the line of the wing I created with the blue eyeshadow, I'm gonna line my eyes, creating a wing like so. So as you can see that I have done my eyes. I'm gonna move on to highlighter. Since I created a warm crease on my eyes, I'm gonna use a highlighter that is also warm. That's why I'm using the Molten Gold highlighter from the Maybelline Master Chrome collection.
Highlighting the high points of your face is a must, like the bridge of your nose, the brow bone, and the cupid's bow on your lip.
Go ahead and put my lashes on. I bought these lashes from eBay and I'm going to show you right afterwards. So I've applied lashes and you can see my eye look complete. I'm gonna add something really nude to my lips because my eyes are bright enough and colorful enough, so I have to be putting something nude on my lips. Kind of going with a new shade which has been added to my collection. It is the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipsticks in Buffy Summers by the Try Sugar or the Sugar Cosmetics. Only thing that I have left with is the blush. I'm gonna use the Fit Me blush. It is in the shade Coral. It is a shimmery corally shade which I like and also dislike because I like matte blushes more, not like blushes that already has shimmers, but because then I can't apply highlighter and shimmery blush together, right? So it's like, yeah, I apply all these things to add a little bit more color on my eyes, on my face, sorry. So I'm adding this. I also like to add a bit of blush on this area. Last thing that I want to add is just take a little bit of shimmer or the highlighter shade or any bright highlighting shade. Apply the shade on the inner corners of my eyes, and I had forgotten this the previous time when I was doing my eyes, and I'm gonna do it right now. You have this just the right tip of the brush. I like this brush a lot. It's from the Cute range or something like that. Okay. And also I'm gonna do it just a little bit here. Just the finishing touches. And a bit here. I don't know if you can see this. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the look that I created. I hope that you would like and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and leave comments if you like the look or not. Do check out the other videos that I have already posted on my account. I post a lot. I post frequently. I try to do a lot of things in a very short time. So yeah, if you like this video too, then do like and comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
If you want me to review or create new videos or new looks, please let me know on the comment section as well. Bye. See you next time.